artists. Today, we are going to draw a magical shoe house together. It looks funny, colorful, and super cute.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the roof of the house. Make it nice and curvy. Wow, great start. Now draw a tall chimney on top of the roof. Awesome job. Next, let's draw the big shoe shape. This shoe is going to be our magical house. So cool. Now in the middle, let's draw a cute little door. Tiny friends can walk inside. Draw some stairs in front of the door. Step, step, step. Great work. Now let's draw 2 windows. One here and one here. Looking amazing already. Next, draw a fence beside the house. Nice and simple lines. Now let's add some grass and beautiful flowers around the shoe house. Pretty flowers make everything magical. Now draw a big mountain behind the house. Wow, what a beautiful place. Finally, draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Your drawing looks fantastic. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Brown color. Wow! Your shoe house looks colorful, magical, and super fun. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, friends!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.